Big bank earnings give a cautious green light on the economy. Every quarter we get excited about listening to and reading about how things went for the big banks in the most recent quarter as they released their earnings. Now I'm primarily talking about JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo, which are the large money center banks, and give a nice reading into how people are doing across the country. We have held a couple large banks in our portfolio for years, and they have provided very useful information, along with some nice returns as well. Overall, the big banks were happy with the low rate of consumer delinquencies that they saw, and they wrote off debt that was unrecoverable, stayed around the same rate as last year. One banker made a comment that with a 4.1% unemployment rate, it's not likely to see a lot of weakness in their portfolio. This is something we have said for quite a while now, but we believe as long as the employment picture stays strong, well, the economy should do well. Deal making for the banks looked pretty good across the board, and all of them had nice profit increases compared to 1 year ago. The overall tone from the bankers was largely upbeat, but a couple banks did call out some concern around commercial real estate and office buildings. Gotta say though, there are certain cities with economies that are doing well, but there are other areas that are more problematic. And the banks generally have commercial real estate in many different markets across the country. To summarize, it does appear that bankers feel pretty good, but they still remain somewhat cautious, as bankers always should. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.